Okay, frame twister. Ow.
What are you doing?
And try and air down a little bit. We don't know where it's going to end up.
You don't have a gauge?
I mean, on the pumper, I do.
You were gonna do it by feel?
Yeah, like 2 squirts. 35? Well, are we pumped up?
What are we airing down to?
Try 30. Probably not enough. Gotta do this. That's nothing. Up and down it.
You having fun?
Yeah, this is fun. There's like no one out here just saw just a Tacoma or 4Runner. We're definitely coming back here.
This is phase 1.
There's a lot of different attack points.
Yep, which way you want to go? So like right here?
Yeah, that one.
Okay, because we have option 1, 2, 3, 4. He's gonna pick 2. That was a good line. How you liking it?
Man, I am loving this. This is like just a playground for 4x4s in the Bay Area. This is awesome. Definitely gonna come back again. This is a stock truck. Right now we're just, giving it a little test. Stock tires, stock shocks, height, everything. So we know once we're gonna lift it, we can do a lot more some of these obstacles. But right now we're just getting it dusty again.
Also, we're not going to push it because we don't have skid plates or rock sliders or anything like that. So we're just going to keep it pretty simple and get the truck a little tilted and whatnot.
Yeah.
But we'll have fun.
We'll have fun. That's the main thing. She didn't even wait. She had so much fun, she didn't even wait for me.
Full send.
Full send, baby.
Baby, show them that 4Runner.
Yep, doing business out here.
We feel maybe a little bit goofy being here in our stock truck and not doing anything intense like they're doing, but hey, we're having fun. I'm chickening out. Maybe that one looks easier.
That's true, it's flatter.
Yeah.
Nervous, but we're gonna do it. Or she's gonna do it. She's got this. So what we're talking about is it may be more vertical, but it's not as ready. So we're gonna give it a go. Em's gonna do an amazing job, as always. Ooh, stock height squatted. Okay, camber, frame twister.
Wait, can you please take a photo of me next to this?
So we got lowrider on one side and monster truck on the other side.
This is the first time it's been flexed like this.
Monster truck on this side, lowrider on the other side.
Do you think I can get back in it?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Babe, I'm not kidding. You need to hold the door for me.
Don't want to lose any fingers.
Well, also, we don't have any grips. All right.
I got you. She just climbed in like a beast.
That was not graceful, but...
Oh, whoa. It's a heavy door. It's pretty straight up and slightly camber.
How am I doing?
Nice. Hold on. Let me just make sure the bottom's good. We're a little close to the... Yeah, we're a little close to the hitch and the tire.
We might have to bail because we don't want to hit the spare tire in the hitch.
We're kind of close. I don't know if Em takes the camera, she may be able to see how tilted we are.
Oh, yeah. Whoa, my seatbelt's locked. There's our degrees. And then there's Johnny.
I'm gonna try it again. It's just a hitch, it's just sand.
Keep going.
Yeah. Yeah, you're clear. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Oh. Yeah, baby. That's what we're talking about. Wow. Wow. She did it. I knew it. If truck could do it, I could do it. 4x4. He said he got stuck. He has recovery gear. So this is our first pull.
Whoa! What a day! All right, let's do this.
Hey, I'm gonna take it out at 4 low.
Yeah. I needed that torque.
What a day! What a beautiful day!
Good day to be alive.
Back it up like 5 feet, 10 feet.
You ready?
You good? Yep.
Okay.
How do you feel?
I feel good. That
Your
was
first
really
recovery.
cool. For first recovery, just a fellow Toyota enthusiast. So that was really cool. Just yanked him out real fast. He had the ropes and stuff, so
Yeah. All right.
that was fun. So back to it.
Back to it. How'd it
Wow. Okay, it was not as like after seeing you do it, I got confident. And really just the cameras, like just seeing the line, it's just this is easy. I want to do it again.
feel? Oh my gosh.
Get the itch. or low.
Okay, hold on. Be careful.
I'm not trying to do the whole thing,
Okay, give me a.
but that looks cool. Me?
Yep, just go slow. Whoa, yep, you passed it, I think. Keep going and just be super slow.
The truck just said steep slope, park on flat road. I did put it on low and in rock, so it really held me.
Oh,
and
really?
made the pedal really like not sensitive. Like you really have to press hard.
Wow, that's what's up.
So it's really
Watch out for snakes.
baby.
Are you proud of your work here?
That's it. I don't want to go any further
Yeah.
because I'm afraid backing up if I don't hit that exact spot.
Yep. Yeah, I almost feel like you did the hard part.
So somehow I had just put it right between the rock where a spare tire and the muffler is. So I'm gonna have to back straight out. Wow. Like you can't even get closer than that. This is just like perfect.
We made it up a couple steps here, but we're not gonna push our luck because some of these steps now are starting to get bigger and we don't have any skid plates on or
Yeah.
any rock sliders, so we're not gonna push our luck. We're gonna back it out, but we did do more than we thought we would do on this one. Slow.
Oh yeah. Go for it. Nice. That's all good.
Whoa, I feel so.
Yeah, that's gonna work. Okay. Yeah, you're clear. That one's gonna be fine. It was just that first one.
Okay. Is my butt okay?
Yeah. Yeah, you're okay. It's gonna be okay.
It's hard to tell how steep it is.
Yeah.
Like in the camera?
You're good in the front on this one.
Okay, thank you.
Just a little bunny hill. Yeah. Ow.
Are you okay?
I fell.
You fell where?
I slipped on the berm. It's just a little numb.
Now that's our kind of date day.
That was so fun.
That was awesome. There was like no one here, just one or two other people. It's beautiful, it's sunny, a little windy, but it was so much fun.
We had our fun, man. I want to come back here soon.
We will come back here and we'll come back here with a couple more mods done to our truck to kind of get a better experience, but then also just to see what stock versus a little bit modded is going to be like.
Yeah, I'm really glad that we're able to have that before and after kind of thing. And now we know it's not just you just buy a truck and just start modding right away. Have a little before information, and now we know.
All right, well, please like and subscribe.
Yes, we can. That was a hurt elbow.
Oh, sorry. They weren't kidding when they said play area.